Hey everyone, in this tutorial you will learn how to create a simple machine learning program in Python using scikit-learn library. This program will use the logistic regression model to predict the data in the iris dataset actually. So you will learn how to load and split the dataset and how to create and train a module, how to evaluate and model performance. So you can learn from this video. By end of this tutorial, you will have a basic understanding how to use scikit-learn to build and evaluate the machine learning models in Python. So coming to the code part, so I can open the Google Chrome and open the Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook. So in that I can type from scikit-learn. So this scikit-learn is a pip library you can install in your machine. So datasets actually. So I can run that line and it will be run. So this line imports the datasets. This line imports the datasets module from the scikit-learn library, and this model contains the built-in datasets. Lot of built-in datasets available. So this module contains the number of built-in datasets that can be used in the machine learning. So after that, I can import that another line, scikit-learn dot model selection, and import train and test and split. So in model level we have three stages actually: train, test, split actually. So this line imports the train, test, split function from the model selection module in the scikit-learn. This function used to split the data set into the training and test sets actually. So that's why we import this line. And coming to the next line, that logistic regression. So this line imports a logistic regression class from the linear module in scikit-learn. This class used to create a logistic regression model, which is type of model used in the classification task actually. So later I can import iris equal to, we already imported the data sets, right? So in the data set I can use load iris. So I can just import that in that this line, load iris datasets using load iris function from the dataset modules. The dataset stored a variable called iris. So I can just create a iris variable. Train x test y train y test. So I just creating two things: x train x test, y train y test. So we already imported this line, right? Train, test and split. So inside that I can pass iris dot data. So I can import the iris datas and iris dot target, and so we can import three things. One is data, another one is target, another one is test size. I can defaultly give 0.25. so I can just give the data. So this line split the iris dataset into the training and the test sets using the test train test split function actually. So the iris data variable contain the input for the module. That means the variable used to make the prediction. So we are going to make the prediction. Iris target variable contains the target tables actually. That means the correct answers. And the test size parameter specify the fraction of the data that should be used in your test set. In this case 25%, right? So 25% of data it's used for the test set, and remaining 70% of used for the training set actually. So the variables xtrain and xtest contains the inputting data and input data obviously for the training and the test sets, right? So respectively, that same and the variable ytrain and the ytest contains the target labels for the training and the test sets respectively. So hope you get understand, right? So after that, model equal to, so let me go to that logistic regression. Okay, so I just type that. After that, so this line creates a new logistic regression model using the logistic regression class. The model is stored in a variable called a model, so I can just create a model variable. So after that, I'm going to fitting that model dot fit xtrain ytrain. Error warning message, so we don't need that, we can skip it that. So this line trains the model on the training data using the fit method. The xtrain and the ytrain variables contain the input data and the target labels for the training set respectively. Okay, coming to that next part, so I can type the next line, accuracy equal to model score xtest and ytest. So we are going to predict that accuracy. So this line test the model on the test data, using the score method actually. So the xtest and ytest variable contains the input data and the target labels for the test set respectively. The score method returns the accuracy of the model on that test set, which is the fraction of correct prediction made by the model. The accuracy stored called in the accuracy variable, right, obviously. So and let me go to that next part, print. I just type accuracy, I just type it. Okay, so this line prints the accuracy of the model to the console. Scores return the accuracy be the 97%. So that is a simple, very simple machine learning model, and the goal is train a model that can be accurately predict the type of iris based on other variable in the dataset. The model is used to a regression model, so which is simple and effective method of classification task actually. The program first load the iris dataset and then split into the training and the test sets, and the model is trained on the training set and then tested on the test set, and the score method calculate accuracy of the model, which is fraction of correct prediction made on the test set. Finally the accuracy is printed in the console, right? So hope you guys you will get some understanding the machine learning basic things. So keep subscribe my channel for more videos regarding that Python and machine learning and automation, so all those stuff. So keep update and keep subscribe my channel, like and share it to your friends. Love you all. Cheers. Thanks. Bye.